Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss about prokaryotic promoters or the promoter in bacteria, especially promoter of E. coli. So let's see here at the beginning of transcription, RNA polymerase enzyme will bind on the specific sequences of DNA. So let's see, this is the DNA strand. This is the DNA strand and the RNA polymerase, suppose that this is RNA polymerase enzyme RNA pol. So RNA pol already bind some special sequences on DNA, and this site on which RNA polymerase enzyme bind here, this region is known as promoter region. This region is known as promoter region, and this is the site from where the transcription process will start and which is represented as +1. So this is known as the start region. So this is the start point or the start region. So start region, this is also a part of the promoter, and here the start region which usually contains purine nucleotide, especially in prokaryotes, adenine is present at the start point, and the three conjugative nucleotide which form the trinucleotide, and the sequence here CAT. So CAT, cytosine, adenine and the thymine. So at the start point the sequence is, common sequence is CAT, but it is not compulsory to the presence of adenine always. Okay, that's why this sequence CAT, which is known as the obligatory sequence. This is the signal of obligatory sequence. Okay, and now the 6 nucleotide sequence or the hexameric sequence which is present upstream, 6 to 8 nucleotide upstream of start point. So towards 5' region of the coding strand, this is the upstream region. Towards the 3' region of the coding strand, this is the downstream region. So 6 to 8 nucleotide, 6 to 8 nucleotide, 6 to 8 base pair distance from the start point towards upstream region, there is the spatial sequences. There is the spatial sequences, and such spatial sequences, spatial sequence which is composed of 6 nucleotide, and that's why this sequence is known as hexameric region. And this hexameric region always centered at, so at the center the distance from the start point about 10 base pair, that's why it is known as -10 region, and the sequence is known as -10 element. Here the sequence is TA, TA, AT. So there is the repetition of T and A, thymine, adenine, thymine, adenine. That's why this 6 nucleotide region, hexameric region at the -10 site, -10 region of the DNA, this is known as the Tata box, which is known as Tata box. So the Tata box in case of prokaryotes, it is known as the Pribnow box after discoverer. So this Tata box, this is the one of the component of the promoter region. Okay. So again, from this Tata box, about 16 to 18 base pair distance from this -10 element. So how many distance? About 16 to 18 base pair distance upstream of the Tata box, there is the another special sequence, and this sequence also composed of 6 nucleotides. So this is another hexameric sequence which present upstream of Tata box about 6 to 18 base pair. And this sequence at the center, the center of the sequence, which is about 35 base pair distance from the start region towards upstream region, that's why indicated as minus 35. And this region or this sequence, it is known as minus 35 element, which is known as minus 35 element. So minus 35 element, this is another component of the promoter region. And minus 35 element, there is the sum of the sequence, the special sequence is present, and the special sequence which is T, T, G, A, C, A. So thymine, thymine, guanine, adenine, cytosine, adenine. So this is the sequence. So at the Tata box region, this is one consensus sequence, Tata 8, and here at the 35 element, there is the another consensus sequence, T, Ga, Ka. Okay. So these are the two consensus sequence. These are the two hexameric region present in the promoter of prokaryotes. That's why these three are the elements of promoter in prokaryotes. Okay, right? So now on either side of the Pribnow box, on either side of the Pribnow box. So this is the Pribnow box. So on either side of the Pribnow box, there is some of the sequences which is read out by the RNA polymerase. So some sequences which is read out by the RNA polymerase present towards upstream region, and these sequences present towards upstream region of the Pribnow box, these sequences is known as the extension. This is the extension element. So when these extension element read by the RNA polymerase, if the promoter lacking of minus 35 element, in such cases some of the sequences present upstream of the Tata box, means these extension element, it is read by the RNA polymerase. Okay, and some of the sequences also present downstream of the Pribnow box, or some sequences which is read by the RNA polymerase, and such sequences present in between Pribnow box and the start point, and these sequences present downstream of the Pribnow box, these sequences known as discriminator. So this sequence or this element is known as the discriminator. This is the discriminator. This is the discriminator element. Okay. So now what are the different components of the promoter in prokaryotes? The start point, first component, then the discriminator element, then the Pribnow box, and the extension element also, and the minus 35 element. And some of the sequences not present at the upstream, not present in promoter region, but some of the sequences also interact with the RNA polymerase, and such sequences present upstream of minus 35 region. So 20 base pair upstream of minus 35 element. It means, so about 20 base pair distance towards upstream of the minus 35 element, there is the special sequences which is rich in A and T, and this region will interact with the RNA polymerase, and this region also provide the efficiency of RNA polymerase, and this region is known as the up element. So this is known as the up element. So what are the different components of RNA, what are the different components of promoter in prokaryotes? So first one is the start region, then the discriminator element, then the Pribnow box, then the extension element, then the minus 35 element, and some of the sequences also interact with the RNA polymerase, and they may be the part of the promoter. They provide the efficiency of the promoter, which is known as the up element. Okay. So these are the different components of the promoter region. So most important thing is that the minus 10 element or the Tata box which contains TAAT, this is the usual sequence or the conserved sequence, and the minus 35 element, that is the sequence TTGACA. So very few promoters have this minus 10 and minus 35 exact sequence, but most differ from only by a few nucleotides. So the promoters with sequence closure to this consensus sequences, these are known as the stronger promoter. So what is the meaning of the stronger promoter? So the stronger promoter means how many transcript will produce, how many transcript means RNA, the segment of RNA will produced in a given time. Okay. And second thing is that how well the promoter binds, how will the promoters will bind with the RNA polymerase. And third thing is that how readily the polymerase can leave, RNA polymerase leave the promoter region, and this is known as the escaping of the polymerase or the RNA polymerase. So the sequence which determine the stronger and the weak promoter and different components also contribute the efficiency of the promoter. If there is no 35 element, then the RNA polymerase will read the extension element. Okay. But most of the stronger promoter region, they should have the up element. So these different elements will read out, will recognized by the sigma factor or the alpha region of the holoenzyme RNA polymerase. So these different components will recognized by the different regions of the sigma factor. So let's see how different region of the sigma factor or which region of the sigma factor interact which component of the promoter region. Okay. So let me draw the model of the promoter region. Suppose that this is the +1 means the start point. Upstream of the start point there is the sequences which is known as the discriminator, and the upstream of the discriminator at the region of -10, that is the Tata box region, and upstream of the -10 region, there is the some sequences which is known as the extension, and upstream of the extension region, there is the -35 element, and upstream of the -35 element, the sequences read out by the RNA polymerase enzyme, and which is known as the up element. So the sigma factor, the region. So here, as you see that, suppose that this is the start region, this is the Tata box region, this is the -35 element, and this is the up element. Okay. And here, suppose that in between the start region, and the -35 region, the distance is 6 to 8 base pair, as I told. And this is also known as the spacer nucleotide. And in between -35 element and the Pribnow box, the distance actually here 16 to 18 base pair, as I told, but this is also the spacer nucleotide, and this number may vary as less as 15 or as greater as 20, right? And the spacer present -35 element and the upstream region, or the distance which is about 20 base pairs, right? So now the start region, which contains usually CAT or the adenine or the purine, and it interact, this region which interact with the region, the first region of the sigma factor, but actually discriminator sequence, it interact with discriminator sequence which interact with the 1.2 region of the sigma factor, 1.2 region of the sigma factor, and the Tata box region, it interact with 2.3 and the 2.4 region of the sigma factor. So 2.3 and the 2.4 region of sigma factor. And the extension region of the promoter, it will interact the 3.0 region of the sigma factor. So only this region interact with extension region, only 2.3 or 2.4 region of the sigma factor read or recognize the -10 region. That's why this is known as the sequence specific contacts, So only -10 region, it is recognized by the 2.3 and 2.4 region of the sigma factor, not any region of the sigma factor. So this is a species, this is the sequence specific region or the contacts. Okay, and this -35 region, it will interact with, it is recognized by 4.2 region of the sigma factor, and the up element, it is recognized, it will interact with the 2 alpha carboxylic terminal domain, 2 alpha carboxylic terminal domain of the RNA polymerase enzyme. So like this, the different region of the sigma factor interact with or recognize the different part of the promoter of the prokaryotes.